Hi guys, this is SK from Digital Products Honest Reviews by SK.
Hi guys, so in this video I am going to review the SynTrio agency software. So let's start with the introduction. We all know that quality social syndication is the most powerful way to get unlimited free targeted traffic from Google and YouTube. Social syndication is the number one tool that all marketers use to rate their video and niche pages on page 1. This is a matter of fact. Having a high quality and well proven social syndication system in your arsenal is the secret to getting fast and long term rankings, traffic, and obviously sales. Without a good syndication platform in your corner, you can't rank long term. Syntrio is the new 3-in-1 software suite that gets you page 1 rankings in 48 hours or less by leveraging the power of quality, fully automatic social syndication to 25 plus authority sites. So let's know who is the creator of Syntrio. The person who created Syntrio is none other than Joshua Zamora. He's also the creator of SynLab, SynBD, DFI Suite, DFI Chief, XRanker 360, and more. He is a very well-known internet marketer in the space of internet marketing. So let us understand what is Syntrio agency. Syntrio is a 3-in-1 cloud-based software tool suite that will help you rank any video or a website such as affiliate, e-commerce, blog, etc. by building powerful high domain authority social backlinks all for 100% automatically. So there are three parts in the Syntrio packet. The first is Synt Creator. It is an automatic account creation tool. Second is Synt Content. It is an automatic content generation tool. Third is the SynLab. It is an automatic content syndication tool. So, so let's understand the first tool, Synd Creator. This tool will help you to create automatic account on 25 plus authority sites. For quality social syndication, you need to create the accounts that you will use for your syndication purposes. Manually creating social accounts is one of the most frustrating steps in all of them. And it is not easy to manually create 25 plus accounts, and it might take you multiple days, and if you have the budget, then you might have to pay 50, 100, or even $150 to freelancers on Fiverr or other sites such as Upwork. So you will see on this page how the social media accounts are created instantly, and that too completely automatically for you. The second tool is the Synced content. With this, you can create automatic content for any niche or keyword or any industry for that matter, and for all your campaigns. Content creation is a very significant and very critical step for any quality social syndication. With a few clicks of your mouse, you will be able to create reliable exclusive content for all your syndication campaigns to ensure you get the best results. Automating your content generation is one of the biggest time and money savers you can ask for. You're always going to need content. You can't build a business online without it. However, writing it yourself takes a lot of time, and hiring a writer is also not a not a inexpensive thing. You have to pay a lot of money to the writers if you want a high quality content. So this is where the scene content comes into the picture. Here the scene content tool will create an high quality content for you easily. So the third is scene lab. So now that you have created accounts and you're ready with your content, this step is what gives you the ultimate trifecta power punch. Proper and quality social syndication is the golden goose to get as many page one rankings as you want. So everyone still asks what's the big secret that the gurus are using to get the result. Well, the secret is quality social syndication. And with step 3 means using the SynLab tool, it will be done. So let's understand the features of Syntrio. The first feature is syndicate and rank your videos. With Syntrio, you will be automatically able to generate backlinks and video embeds for your videos. Second is syndicate and rank your niche sites. So you might be needing the power of a PBN without the stress of building one. So social syndication is just as powerful, if not more powerful than the PBNs for page one rankings. Third is syndicate and rank your client videos. So if you are running a local agency, this is where you will need the use of Syntrio for ranking your client websites. Fourth is get quality social citations for fast local rankings. You all know the importance of local citations for ranking local business websites. So you can build multiple backlinks using this technique. Third is syndicate and rank your e-com site. Everyone in the e-com space wants to get free Google traffic. It is the best converting traffic you can get. And best and most importantly, unlike PPC, Google Google traffic is free for you and you don't have to pay a single dime to get Google traffic. So ranking your website on the first page of Google, like especially your e-commerce website, is the best source of traffic that you get without paying a single dollar. So next is automate your content marketing. So Syntio is not just for getting page one rankings. If you're a content marketer, you can use it to ensure your content gets posted on all your social media profiles. And the last is automate your social media marketing. If you are a social media marketer, this is the perfect software for you. Syntrio manage your social media syndication as well. So now let's look at the advantages of Syntrio. So no need of any technical skills or previous knowledge. It comes with video tutorials, manuals, and a full support team 24/7 that will help you. It works extremely fast. You can put your software to work today and start syndicating your videos on its sites all over the web. Requires very little time to manage. Once you get your accounts created, it only takes minutes to get a campaign up and running and working for you 24/7. It's a low cost way to get rankings fast. Once you start using our software, you no need to buy expensive software services or even dozens of Fiverr gigs. It can work from anywhere in the world. As far as you have an internet connection for this software, you are good to go. It works for any language and any niche, whether it's local or general niches. You can dominate this platform. So let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: syndicate to over social profiles of over 25 plus sites, full reports and analytics, 100 plus newbie friendly software. Even even a fourth grade child can run this software. It is so easy. And next is regular updates. So you don't have any bugs left in the software. Priority support and one time payment. Just pay it one time and you will get all the new updates for free. Cons is you can use your software without any hassles, but you need to have additional software and proven methods to know how to make money using Syntrio. So if you purchase this software from my link, I will give you all the bonus to know how to make money online using Syntrio completely for free. No, you don't have to pay me extra dollar to get the bonuses. So who is Syntrio for? It is for SEO agencies, website owners, affiliate marketers, local marketers, list builders, e-commerce owners, CPA marketers, or if you have your own product, you can also use it for that. So let's look at the Syntrio upsells. The first is the front end Syntrio agency tool. It costs $33.33. You will be getting agency access to all three platforms and be able to get fast ranking, traffic, and sales for themselves or for your client. You will be getting a certain number of credits at a massive discount to be used to create accounts with on Synd Creator. One credit is one account created with Syndicate, and one credit is one article generated inside of SyndLab using Synd content. So, so the second upsell is Syntrio Agency Plus. It is a $47 per month, uh, priced at $47 per month. You will have the opportunity to lock in the discounted rate on the credits you just purchased, plus you get bonus credit for doing so as well. So another one-time offer is SyndLab Trifecta, which is for $67. You will be able to get 3 additional profit enhancing features. You can unlock the tiered link feature that will allow you to create multiple tiered campaigns for more powerful rankings. This will unlock any additional 5 plus networks to which you can syndicate, and also you can syndicate to video sites. So the next is SceneTrio Booster, which is available for $47. You will be able to access the SceneLab plugin, which will allow you to connect to all WordPress sites through the account and set up automatic syndication for any new or old blog posts you want to syndicate. You're going to be able to rank these niche sites even faster with this, or revive any old sites that haven't worked for you. This will also unlock your virtual assistant license so that you can access as many virtual assistant as you want. So the next is Xanchor 360 for $47. You will have access to their Xanchor 360 product, which is seamlessly integrated with this SceneLab. This will also allow your customers to get a quick page one video ranking. And the last is the Video Chief membership for $27. You are going to get access to this powerful Video Chief membership site. People will be able to access more than 1200 plus video templates in more than 5 dozen niches that they can instantly upload to YouTube and rank with SceneLab. All in all, they have made the perfect match for maximum conversions. So concluding this video, even if you have never made money online, SceneTrio will allow anyone, regardless of the experience, to break down the doors of profitable niche marketing. You are literally going to able to get access to the SceneTrio suite today and have your first campaign set up in 10 minutes. You can be on your way to unlimited page one rankings by lunchtime tomorrow. There's no mystery about it. So guys, I hope you liked my review about SceneTrio agency, and if you purchase from my link, I will give you the bonuses, like various bonuses that will help you to make more money online. So thank you very much.